Hello everyone, and welcome to the Nightly News with Mary Huntington. Tonight we will be speaking with former slave Eleanor Jones as she tells her experience through the Underground Railroad. Welcome, Eleanor!
Thank you.
Now, Eleanor, please, what was your experience like throughout the Underground Railroad?
Well, my journey started on foot, northward toward New York. I had little food, no shelter or medical care, and the overwhelming fear of being caught.
Now, why would you head northward towards New York?
Well, we head northward because in the Union, slaves were free unless they were caught, according to the Fugitive Slave Act.
Now, who helped you across the railroad?
Harriet Tubman, a.k.a. Moses, helped me and some fellow slaves cross the Underground Railroad.
What year did you escape?
I escaped in 1850, which was also the year Harriet Tubman was named the conductor.
Yes. Now, are you happy as a free slave?
Yes. Yes, I am.
Now, Eleanor, I'm not sure if we told you or not, but we performed a little song, and would you like to sing it for us?
Well, I wasn't really prepared. I just kind of glanced at the lyrics, but if you insist.
Okay,
sure.
Okay, everyone, it has been the Nightly News with Mary Huntington and Eleanor Jones.